What do you know about kimchi?
That I like it in the tummy.
Okay, wait. Look at me. Don't look at the screen. Okay. Look at me, Will. Look at me. Don't look at the screen. Don't look at the screen. Where is kimchi from? Don't you dare look at the screen. Don't you dare.
Well, the obvious answer is Korea.
You're dead!
But I know you would say something else. Oh.
You lose. You're boycotted. You're finished. You're canceled.
I knew it was wrong because you did that whole dance thing and then even before that.
There's a huge controversy going on right now. It started with that, you know, the girl Lee Zicki?
I think so.
I'm talking the peaceful videos.
Yeah.
Super famous in China.
Yeah.
Also posts
DIYs.
Posts on YouTube. Yeah, but it's all sensual and stuff. And you know what I'm saying?
I don't think it's sensual.
How dare you?
I just think it's productive.
But it's sensual. It's your
it?
senses are heightened. It's all the surroundings and the sounds and the textures and
the way that you said sensual is.
You took it another way. That's your fault, not mine.
The internet has ruined me.
Yeah, that's your fault, not mine.
Okay.
Anyway, it started with her because she was making kimchi, like bunch of pickled stuff on her show, which she does, and labeled it as Chinese pickled vegetables. Then the South Koreans came along and said, "What are you talking about?"
Uh-oh.
I don't know if they said it like that. They said, "What are you talking about? Chinese style, whatever." Then, so it got the conversation going about the origin of kimchi and who gets to own kimchi and who has kimchi. And by the way, I'll back you up, Will. My exposure to kimchi was at the Korean barbecue. So I'll back you up. And I'm just going to say right now, if we're fighting over kimchi instead of enjoying it, Will's looking for
right now.
He's looking for even more backup. He's looking for even more backup here.
Place of origin.
Yeah, but you know how this goes, Will. Go if you really want to go into history, if you want to argue over it, go look at the history of Korea.
Yeah.
It's been back and forth.
Yeah.
There's a border there. People have moved throughout history. These foods are older than those lines.
Yeah. And pickling of vegetables have been there since
anyway, people are mad at us.
Very long time.
People are mad at us either way. They're mad at us.
There's no win scenario.
We touched it now. And they're mad at us either way, and people are passionate. And you know what? I don't mind passion to a degree.
Okay, yeah.
Because, but it'll be funny things. Like for example, they'll say, "Oh, you know where pasta didn't come from Italy," or something like this. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. And they'll say, "No, the noodle got brought from over here," and then they did it, and everybody takes the thing and makes it their own. Mm-hmm. And you could tell some Italian that, and maybe he's upset. You know what I'm saying? Like, people have pride in their food.
Yeah.
And that's fine. Me, on the other hand, I like history better than food. I don't like history better than food. I'm saying I prefer to just go down the rabbit hole.
Appetite for history.
That's right. I eat history. Okay? This body is running solely. No, I'm saying that, of course, I like food. I love food. But when it comes to the rules around food or whatever, it's like you look at any of this stuff deeply enough and it's like there becomes a recognition that everything is built upon previous generations, and it's far more fluid and collaborative than it is that any one person can own any one thing in this life. Mm-hmm. You just go back and you see that, like, take for example language, and words are taken from here and there and translated and remixed and whatever else. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Anyway, I don't eat history, but obviously there's some tension here and people just feel upset about it. And so that girl started it. Then this next girl, South Korean internet star, who does the eating on the camera.
The mukbang.
Yeah, she does the mukbang.
Yeah.
And so she's posting, and one of it goes on. She's got a following in China as well. And listen to what she did to end up in hot water. She just liked the comment. She liked a comment, and people were like, "I'm done with you. You're done. I'm done with you." She liked a comment that seemed to insinuate that kimchi was a Korean food and not a Chinese food. And she liked the comment. And this is what she got as a response. Let me tell you what she got. She got, "We are firmly against any action that insults China and do not allow any foreign bloggers we sign contracts with to have any attitude or comments that insult China." So she had some sort of distribution deal in China.
Oh.
And the organization that was revamping her vids for Weibo and all the rest of it, they were trying to disassociate, saying, like, "How dare you?"
Yeah.
Kind of a situation. She also, let me give you one of the comments she received. I mean, first of all, here's her apology. I have treated everyone as friends and felt the passion of Chinese friends. If I offended anyone unintentionally or made you feel unpleasant, I apologize sincerely here. I really respect Chinese culinary culture. I hope everybody can sense that. You can see a picture of her apologizing down here. She looks so sad. Go a little bit more. She's with her interpreter. By the way, that's some nice looking kimchi. Look, she got the hoodie on. She got the hands clenched like that. She's looking down at the table because she liked the wrong comment. Now she got to do all that. Well, here, listen to this. Which one of the fans said this: "I feel sorry that I ever liked you. Nothing comes before loyalty to my country. I will not call you names because I did once like you, but this is goodbye." Oh, hard hitting.
Yeah.
We used to be friends. Now,
that's tough.
Obviously, there's a lot of tension around it. It's just the hottest current topic between these two nations. But there's a long-standing history and obviously some degree of tension over here. And honestly, for you or I, we're somewhat unqualified to comment. To be fair, like, we don't have a horse in the race. We're just a couple kimchi guys who enjoy the food, right?
Yes.
Oh, you have a horse in the race? Go ahead if you disagree.
No, I agree.
You have no horse in the race, so you're not trying to offend anybody, nor am I. I just think...
good food is good food.
And wherever you can open the lines of collaboration is a positive thing. And this girl obviously seems that her intent was not to upset anyone by liking the comment. And I would just say, and I feel this way generally most of the time, is, give her a chance. I don't think she was trying to do anything malicious over here. I think pride can be good. It can also be a problem sometimes. I mean, that's all I want to say on that. It can go both ways. It's to a point.